Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Samsung Internet app not working. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to your settings. Once you go to settings, scroll down until you find applications. Once you find apps, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find a list that includes all of the installed apps on your phone. And here in the top, you're going to find Samsung app settings. So go ahead and click on Samsung app settings. And then right here, scroll down and search for Samsung Internet. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find the settings related to this application. And if you want to reset the application, you can go back and search for internet and then click here. And you're going to find all of the settings related to Samsung Internet. So once you're here, scroll down, make sure that permission you give it the permission that it needs, and then scroll down until you find storage. And before you click on storage, here in the bottom, you're going to find force stop. Click on it and click on OK, and then click on storage. Once you click on storage here at the bottom, you're going to find clear data and also clear cache. So make sure you click on clear cache and then go back to Samsung Internet, click on it and check if it's working. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.